Shipping containers can be modified to create container homes of various shapes and sizes. In this video, we bring to you the Mini G tiny container house with a loft built by Stackspace in Australia. Welcome back. The Mini G model is a fully furnished 27 square meters of a tiny house built inside a 20-foot shipping container that is fully equipped with numerous mod cons, a terrace, a kitchen, a bathroom, and skylight windows for beautiful views. This tiny house is made from a single 20-foot high cube container with a pop-out loft made with steel tubes and checkered plate. The final product is an amazing tiny home accommodating a one-bedroom, a sitting space, a bathroom, a kitchenette, a deck, and a pop-up loft with a balcony. The first impression when you walk inside this amazing tiny home is it's a lot roomier than you would expect, with every ounce of space being ingeniously used. The interior features an open-plan living area which accommodates a bright galley kitchen. It has apartment-sized stainless steel appliances, reconstituted stone benchtops, a mirror-backed glass backsplash, a washer-cum-dryer, under-the-counter cabinets, and overhead custom-designed open cabinets. The living room features an enticing corner seat with lots of storage, a custom tabletop, and a large glass door with solar-operated blinds. The glass door offers views of the beautiful outdoor space and plenty of opportunities for entertainment by opening wide into a small outdoor deck that is covered with a retractable canvas awning. The bathroom is a fully tiled modern space equipped with a curtain shower cubicle, a wall-hung toilet with concealed cistern, a wall-hung wash-hand basin with a concealed bottle trap, and a huge mirror which reflects light and creates a feeling of space in the bathroom. An industrial-style staircase with checkerplate trays and a wire mesh railing leads to the loft bedroom upstairs. The space under the staircase has been ingeniously utilized for storage. Upstairs, you'll find a cozy double bed, openable skylight with blinds, and a big balcony fronted with a planter. The balcony is a very nice place to enjoy a glass of wine or a cup of tea as you feast on the endless vantage views. The beautiful hardwood flooring brings an edge of difference and luxury to the interior of the house. In addition, the interior walls are lined with plywood throughout, which adds to visual warmth to the interior space. From outside, the first details that catch your eye are the harmony of the non-glossy matte color of the house with the wooden details on the exterior wall. The exterior is complemented with glass windows to let the natural light shine through. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior, which adds to the industrial language of the design. The extensive deck space complements the outdoor kitchen, creating an ideal place for entertaining guests. This amazing tiny house is listed as a guest house on Airbnb starting at $125 per night. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. Which part of this amazing tiny home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe for amazing weekly videos on shaping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.